You want to take your bottle and score it with your glass cutter, and you want to rotate your bottle towards you when you scoring it. And here I'm gonna take a little propane blowtorch, and I attach this string to a roof beam and tied a nail to the string, and I'm gonna put it into the bottle and anchor it so it just latches on. This is kind of tricky, this part. Sometimes it doesn't stay, so you just gotta try it a couple times, or you can also use like a corkscrew at the top to anchor it, but it doesn't spin as smoothly. So now you're gonna take your blowtorch and spin the bottle and heat up the score line. You don't want to heat it up too much. You just want to just make it a little hot first. And then you're going to take your water. This is just tap water. It's not ice cold water. And just pouring it onto the bottle when it's spinning. You got to make sure it's spinning. And you can see the crack forming here, starting to form. And you're gonna just repeat heating up the bottle again. And you want to heat up where you can't really see the crack forming. That's where you want the crack to propagate to. So you're just gonna repeat the process, and here you should spin the bottle more. So just gonna give it a little spin and then pour it more water onto the bottle. And if it still hasn't fully cracked, you're gonna repeat it again. Heat up the bottle. And here it is, it's cracked. And it's good to have water in the bottle below, so that way if you need more water, you can just fill up your container that you're gonna pour the water onto the bottle. And also it provides some kind of cushion when the bottle does finally break and separates, and it can fall into your container without cracking. Gives it some cushion. If you're having trouble securing the nail in the bottle, you can use a corkscrew, but the bottle doesn't spin as smoothly. Thank you for watching. Please comment and subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it.